How about this next problem? Very basic lang. Anthony takes a loan of 10,000 pesos to buy a used truck at a rate of 5% simple interest. Calculate the annual interest to be paid for the loan amount. So, yung magiging interest in a period of 1 year. Okay. So, N mo dyan, annual eh. Annual, nakalagay dyan, annual. Hindi 1 year. 1 year only. So, N, hindi natin alam kung hanggang kailan niya babayaran. Pero meron kang tinanong dyan, calculate the annual interest. So, you have a principal of inutang mo na 10,000 pesos. That is the principal. And then the interest rate is 5%. O, the interest will be, hindi naman sinabi kung anong interest rate o the ipin ulit. That is 10,000 pesos multiplied to the interest of 0.05 multiplied to 1 year. O, 1 na lang. So, what will be the interest after a year? Excuse me. 10,000 times 0.05. I bet that is 500 pesos. Yan yung tinubo niya yearly. That is 500 pesos. Okay? Yan ang tubo niya yearly or annually. Okay? That is for problem number 3. How about